Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to do a mid-week clean. This was filmed on a Wednesday and I just wanted to get on top of things and do a good clean of the house. I'm going to start by spraying some Viacal on all of the plugs and the taps in the bathrooms and letting that set for a few minutes. While it's setting, I'm going to wipe down the kitchen surfaces using my new Dawn spray that I am loving using. I got it off Amazon after seeing one of my favorite Instagrammers use it and I am obsessed with it. While I'm next to the sink, I'm also just going to spray down inside of the sink and wipe this down as well, getting rid of any food marks or watermarks that have built up in here.
Oh, where I'll go if you weren't standing next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong. Life can be unfair. And
I'm just going to continue my way around the kitchen surfaces, wiping them all down, getting rid of any crumbs and things that have gathered over the last few days where I haven't had a moment to clean. So it feels good to get in here and give it a good once over. I will also give a thorough clean to my chopping board. This cloth is nice and sudsy and soapy, so it's the perfect cloth to use to give the chopping board a really good scrub.
Weren't standing next to me. Your arms have carried me for miles. Here's where I belong. I've been running away from now and everything.
So I'm slowly working my way around downstairs. I've moved into the dining area now. I just need to declutter the dining table. It's covered in Christmas cards, things that my son's been writing, still stuff from breakfast and all sorts. So I've had a little declutter and now I'm going to use my cloth to wipe down the surface of the dining table. It wasn't too bad actually, considering I haven't done this for a few days. It just had a few food marks on it. It didn't take too long. But now it's been a few minutes, I can get my spin scrubber and I can go back to the Viacal that I sprayed on at the start of this video. It has worked its magic. It's got rid of any built-on limescale or watermarks. To be honest, it would have been fine with just the cloth if you don't have a spin scrubber, but if you do have one, it's great to just make sure you are super thorough with getting off all of that limescale. But as you'll see in a minute, when I wipe it down, it is completely gone. Oh my gosh, the black stuff that came off of this tap. I was not expecting all of this. It made me feel a little bit gross seeing all of that black stuff gathered over there, but at least I know I've got it all out. I'm going to use some Domestos Power Foam and just wipe down the surface of the sink, get rid of all those lovely little black specks, and the sink will be shiny and new. I'm going to repeat this process on the upstairs sink as well.
Here's where I belong.
Next up, I'm going to do some light dusting in the living room. I've got my flash dust magnet with a new little duster head, and I'm just going to go over all of the shelves in the living room, which really do gather dust super quickly, and I haven't done this for ages. So I'm just going to go over all of my trinkets and photo frames and everything and make sure everything has been dusted. I'll also go over the TV unit area and the TV screen, making sure that I've got as much dust as I can. I'm going to turn on my lovely little robot vacuum so that I know that this is doing the downstairs floors while I go upstairs.
One thing that I'm sure
So while I know the vacuuming's being done, I can do the bedding upstairs. I'm going to start by putting some fresh sheets on our bed. I've taken off the dirty sheets and I have put the fresh ones on. I'm just going to spray some crease release onto the sheets just to try and get rid of some of these creases.
It's hard to sleep at night. I lie here waiting for the sunrise while I'm contemplating my life, and I still can't close my eyes, thinking about what.
And there you go, fresh sheets on our bed. I always feel so much better when I put fresh sheets on. It feels so lovely to get into them at night, doesn't it? I'm not going to change the boys' sheets because I washed all of their Christmas bedding and put it on again not too long ago. So they don't need changing today. I will just make their beds, and I'm going to do some dusting in their rooms as well. But I'm actually going to do some damp dusting instead. I'm going to use my Scrub Daddy damp duster that you can see here. Using just water, I'm going to wipe down the surfaces in both of my little boys' rooms, getting as much dust as I can. While I've got the damp duster handy in my hand, I'm going to go back into the master bedroom and do our bedside tables as well. These haven't been done for ages. I keep meaning to do it, so while I've got the damp duster handy, I'm going to just pop in here and do them quickly. Toilets now, I'm going to use my Domestos Power Foam to wipe down all of the toilets in the house. So this is the downstairs toilet. I'm going to repeat everything you see me doing in the upstairs family toilet and then in the ensuite as well. So I'm just wiping down with the Domestos Power Foam, and then I'm going to put some power gel, some toilet gel inside and give it a scrub, and I'm just going to repeat that in every toilet. While I'm in the ensuite, I am just going to use the bathroom power foam to wipe down our sink. I haven't done this for a little while, and Clint has been using that blue toothpaste, and it's put those blue splatter marks all over the sink that's really irritating me, and I cannot wait to wipe them all off. So I'm going to have a shower now, and I'm going to clean the shower screen while my conditioner is setting. I keep my Scrub Daddy soap dispenser in the shower so that I can clean the shower screen whilst showering. Saves a job. And there you go. That is me done for my midweek clean. I'm going to sit down while my son is napping. I'm going to make myself some lunch and I'm going to relax. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you in my next one.